Medical imaging demand is soaring, but the supply of radiologists is falling critically behind. This isn't a short-term problem. Projections show this shortage continuing through 2055. The result is a domino effect: delayed diagnoses, prolonged patient anxiety, and bottlenecks in care. These delays directly cause longer hospital stays and significantly higher healthcare costs. But there is a proven way to break this cycle. We'll show you how remote supervision platforms work. The answer is virtual direct supervision. It allows a radiologist to oversee procedures from anywhere. So what are the immediate benefits? Benefit 1, a dramatic reduction in operational costs. Imaging centers using this model can see costs fall by up to 30%. Benefit 2, increased speed. About 30% of centers report faster responses with no negative impacts on patient care. These gains are possible because the technology removes the rigid requirement for an on-site radiologist for every procedure. The numbers are compelling, but how does this technology actually function to ensure safety and efficiency across multiple sites? The system is built on a foundation of secure, high-speed technology, including PACS systems, cloud platforms, and real-time audio-visual links. The key mechanism is resource optimization. A single radiologist can be the designated supervising physician for several imaging centers at once. Workloads are balanced based on real-time demand, not fixed schedules. A radiologist's attention shifts instantly where it is needed most. This unlocks flexible scheduling and extended hours. It ensures a qualified radiologist is always available, without costly idle time on site. So, the technology decouples supervision from physical location. This creates a flexible, efficient, and scalable care network. This operational efficiency is transformative. But what does this new flexibility mean for the people at the center of healthcare, the patients and physicians? For patients, the impact is immediate: better access. This flexibility allows for evening, weekend, and holiday imaging services. This model is a powerful tool for healthcare equity, bringing expert supervision to rural communities that struggle to maintain on-site specialists. For radiologists, it's a powerful tool against burnout. Flexible work and no commutes significantly improve job satisfaction and work-life balance. This isn't an outlier, it's part of a massive shift. Already, 82% of radiology practices allow some form of remote work, proving the model's value. So we have a solution that saves money, improves access, and supports physicians. But is it officially sanctioned by regulators? The most important validation comes from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. For years, CMS allowed this under temporary rules. But in a landmark decision, that temporary status is ending. CMS has issued new rules making remote supervision a permanent part of healthcare in 2026. This permanence, however, comes with a condition. Implementation demands strict adherence to new compliance in technology protocols. This move is strongly supported by the medical community. The American College of Radiology formally urged CMS to make this permanent. The takeaway is clear. Remote supervision is no longer a temporary workaround. It is a fully regulated and professionally endorsed solution. So let's connect all the dots. How do these pieces, the crisis, the technology, and the regulations, form a cohesive strategy? We started with a crisis projected to continue well into 2055. With permanent CMS approval, we have a structural solution for the long haul. We saw how one radiologist can cover multiple sites. That operational power is the direct engine driving those 30% cost reductions. And by tackling radiologist burnout, these platforms directly address a root cause of the shortage. A sustainable workforce means fewer patient delays. This is a complete system that addresses finance, access, and staffing, the three core challenges of modern radiology. Remote contrast supervision platforms are not just a concept. They are a proven, viable, and permanent answer to the radiologist shortage. They deliver financial efficiency, they expand patient access while ensuring safety, and they create a more sustainable career for physicians. As this becomes the new standard of care, the focus will shift to implementation. Choosing the right partner and navigating compliance will be key. For administrators, managers, and investors, the time for consideration is over. The question is no longer if your organization will adopt remote supervision, but how.